Hey everyone, this is Saminabi on News Media 47 Top 10 series. Today's video is about top 10 fashion designers in India. These top 10 Indian designers who have influenced the Indian fashion scenes and are bringing Indian handicrafts and fabrics to the international forefront. Gaurang Shah. From a little boy running errands for his father's sari shop in Hyderabad to winning the Best Designer Award in latest Lakme Indian Fashion Week, Gaurang Shah is a self-taught artist bringing back khadi to where it belongs. Working with over 500 viewers from 4 states now, actually started with only 10 of them from Hyderabad. However, none of this has come easily to him. From overflowing clothes to painfully difficult yet beautiful handmade pieces being stagnant, to now inspiring young designers to use khadi and cotton in a ways that have never been seen before. Gaurang Shah has come a long way. Sanjay Garg. Taking inspiration from a Japanese designer, Sanjay Garg was the revival the fashion industry has been looking for. His idea of style is raw and unfinished. His efforts to bridge the long gap between fabrics and styles are commendable. The brand Raw Mango caught up like wildfire, and now 5 saris from his collection have found a permanent place in the collections of Victoria and Albert Museum. With a couple of viewers, a team of enthusiastic designers and an immortal spirit, he set out to work on making Chanderi a more wearable, manageable and fuss-free fabric. Nita Dongre. This magnificent girl next to door from Jaipur moved to Mumbai, started her life with 2 swing machines in a bedroom, then went on opening 2 stores in America, 4 labels under her name and dressing up to the Duchess of Cambridge. A dreamer and an achiever in the truest sense, she meticulously planned her labels to cater to the different needs of customers. She believes one should wear brands and not the other way round. Ankur and Priya Modi. Ruling the field of a fashion industry since the past 15 years, they bring out the perfect taste of sensibilities and creativities in art. Whether it is the use of a fabric, colors, all their designs are created with perfect fineness, offering comfort and style. Having touched the heart of their vast client, they have gone on to grow their business, opening with a new range of collection, expanding to 9 standalone stores across the country. Handcrafted and the symbol of a grace, they make to the list of the next top 10 fashion designers in India. Payal Singhal. As the daughter of award-winning Dinesh Singhal and granddaughter of renowned Indian artist J.P. Singhal, it is perhaps not surprising that Payal Singhal would become a creative soul and first foray into fashion. She was awarded the Shoppers Top Designers of the Year award at the tender age of 15. Anamika Khanna. A personal favorite of Bollywood's fashion child Sonam Kapoor, Anamika Khanna is the first Indian designer to have an international label, Anamika, and her creations are sold online and offline stores across India and abroad. She has been covered under BOF, Business of Fashion, for blending Indian textiles and techniques. Her clothes exude a bohemian charm that no other designer has yet been able to nail. Ritu Kumar. Ritu Kumar started her career 40 years ago with the modest setup of 4 hand block printers and just 1 table in a small village near Calcutta. Progressive, traditional and contemporary is what her label is all about. Her contribution to the Indian fashion industry is homogeneous, and she has been awarded the prestigious Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award for her contribution in the field of fashion. Masaba Gupta. Masaba is known to be deeply inspired with her Indian and South African heritage. She is known for her usage of bright colors, creating unimaginable contrast. She has also mastered the art of a fusion wear, creating clothes that are very different but traditional at the same time. Her designs have been worn by Bollywood stars Bipasha Basu and Shilpa Shetty. Since her debut, Gupta has won awards including the 2012 L'Oréal Paris Femina Award for Best Emerging Designer. Manish Malhotra. He is one of the most recognized Indian designers among the popular crowd. He started out in the fashion industry as a model, but failed attempt directed him towards fashion. He designed the wedding outfits for the Princess of Riyadh as well as for the late king of pop Michael Jackson. Over the course of his career, Malhotra has styled over 1,000 films and is credited with redefining and modernizing Bollywood costume design. Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Sabyasachi Mukherjee needs no introduction. He is known for his fabulous body of work that makes him one of the leading designers in India right now. Brides especially love his lehengas and often request delivery all over the world. He designed outfits for India's 3 most popular celebrity couples, including Anushka Sharma Virat Kohli, Deepika Padukone Ranveer Singh, and Priyanka Chopra Nick Jonas. So these are the top 10 fashion designers in India. Hope you all liked the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.